Have you ever wondered how to keep track of all the push notifications your app receives while it's closed? It can be a real challenge, especially when you're trying to stay updated. If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to read all push notifications sent to your iOS app since it was last open. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you miss important notifications because your app was closed. You're not alone in this. Many developers face the same issue when building their apps. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "Is there any way to read all push notifications sent since my app was last running?" This is a common concern for developers using iOS 10 and Xcode 8, so let's explore this together. So what's the deal with push notifications? When your app is closed, notifications are stored by the system. However, accessing them when the app reopens can be tricky. Understanding how to manage these notifications is key to enhancing user experience. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you manage notifications even better. You won't want to miss it. To retrieve all push notifications since the app was last open, the user should first ensure that they have enabled push notifications in their app settings. This is crucial for receiving notifications. Next, the user needs to implement a method to store the last received notification timestamp. This can be done using user defaults to save the timestamp when the app goes into the background. Now, when the app launches, the user should fetch the notifications that were received after the last saved timestamp. This can be done by querying the notifications stored in CloudKit. Finally, the user can display the fetched notifications in the app. This could involve updating the user interface to show the new notifications to the user. Fun fact, did you know that the first push notification was sent in 2009? It's amazing how far technology has come since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the UN User Notification Center to access notifications. Starting from iOS 10, you can retrieve pending and delivered notifications with a specific function. Here's that tip I promised. Consider implementing a notification summary feature. This allows users to see a summary of missed notifications when they open the app, enhancing their experience. And there you have it. Now you know how to read all push notifications received since your app was last open. Remember, keeping your users informed is crucial. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and stay tuned for our next video.